What's going on, family? I'm in the office, just finished doing some cold calling, and I'm about to edit this video. So what y'all about to see in this video is me and my very first property I bought. I changed the floors in 2 rooms, the master bedroom. No, I'm sorry, 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms. Is it the master room and the dining room? I changed the floors in that area because the house is on piers, and I'm in Louisiana. Louisiana, it rains a lot. The weather's crazy, so when it rains, water gets under the house and water rises as it's drying, and all that water goes into the subfloor, which is wood, and it softens the wood. So I think they had like 2 holes in it or something. So, and the house is on piers. I don't know if I say that. So the subfloor is getting a little weak, so we went in and changed all that, put new flooring. Now it looks beautiful. Y'all see it. And I went ahead and put tile in the bathrooms because it looks a lot nicer. So yeah, and also y'all gonna see me going to Lake Charles, and I'll show y'all how I buy my appliances for my rentals. So y'all check it out. What's up?
What's going on, man?
Nothing much, nothing much. How you doing?
All right, Mr. Professor.
Who? I ain't no professor. That look good now.
Oh, yeah. This is too.
See, you gonna see me tomorrow?
Yeah, bring us some. Listen, hey, you know, I need to finish it here anywhere.
Yeah. Tile in the bathroom.
Okay. You got an extra with it.
Yeah, you did that one already.
How the other bathroom look? Let me go see.
So put a chomoli in it. Nice.
Go check the other bathroom. It look good.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? We're in Lake Charles, Louisiana right now, at Churches, to be exact. We just left the house in Lake Charles. We gotta go back. I just bought a refrigerator. Now I'm about to go buy a stove. I'm gonna show you how I buy my appliances for my rental properties. Stay tuned. All right, we're here at this house. Don't know who this is. Found them on Facebook. This is how I buy my used appliances for my houses. Don't buy brand new appliances for a rental because they're gonna mess up them anyway. So why buy a brand new one? Buy a used one. It's cheap. He asked it $125 for a stove. I'm gonna try to get it for 100 or 80. That'll be better. So stay tuned. I'm about to go get it. We just picked up the stove in the back. I got me we didn't get it for 80 like I thought. He's asking 125. We got it for 120. Save $5. But now we're on our way to get a gas line from Lowe's, and we're gonna bring the stove to the house. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we at Lowe's. Just pull up to Lowe's. Let me show you how I found this. I told you I found it on Facebook, but some people don't have common sense, so I'm gonna just show you how I found this real quick. All right, click on Facebook. Marketplace right at the bottom. You pick what city. You just change the location. I put Lake Charles. I'm in Lake Charles. Just type in gas stoves for sale. Bam, this is the one I got right here. 125. Is that easy? And you just send them a message. There you go. Now I got the stove. We about to go in there, get a gas line, and then bring the stove to the house. It's raining out here. You gotta be serious about this grind. Weather don't matter. You better get this real estate money, baby. Let's go. Picked up my gas line. Surprise, look at this. It's the exact same stove I just bought. This was $519. Now it's $404. I bought it for $125. You tell me who winning. Welcome back, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Hope you learned something, how to find these cheap, good appliances on Facebook. Why buy brand new if you can get it barely used at a good price, save you some money. And me, myself, I add $25 onto the rent for each appliance if I have to put appliances in each house. So it pays itself off within 4 months or whatever. So hope you guys learned something. Very simple. And I see, oh, never mind. If y'all still here, why haven't you subscribed yet? Don't be a spectator. Join the family. Please subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.